What is the one word for, take the place of or be parallel or equivalent to? The correct answer is correspond. What is the one word for, an unhealthy and compulsive preoccupation with something? The correct answer is obsession. What is the one word for, the outward flow of the tide? The correct answer is ebb. What is the one word for, the covering of feathers on a bird? The correct answer is plumage. What is the one word for, be fully aware or cognizant of? The correct answer is realize. What is the one word for, destroy or injure severely? The correct answer is mutilate. What is the one word for, the property of being richly abundant or plentiful? The correct answer is bounty. What is the one word for, be placed or located between other things? The correct answer is intervene. What is the one word for, a sign of a thing about to happen? The correct answer is omen. What is the one word for, providing nurture though not related by blood or legal ties? The correct answer is foster. What is the one word for, turn away from by persuasion? The correct answer is dissuade. What is the one word for, kill in large numbers? The correct answer is annihilate. What is the one word for, lie in wait or behave in a sneaky and secretive manner? The correct answer is lurk. What is the one word for, a tropical tree cultivated for its juicy edible fruits? The correct answer is citrus. What is the one word for, wear off or die down? The correct answer is subside. What is the one word for, strongly opposed? The correct answer is loath. What is the one word for, apparently reasonable, valid, or truthful? The correct answer is plausible. What is the one word for, an exploratory action or expedition? The correct answer is probe. What is the one word for, become less in amount or intensity? The correct answer is abate. What is the one word for, a discrimination between things as different? The correct answer is distinction.